If you're experiencing connection errors in Elden Ring, there are several steps you can take to improve your online gaming experience. Follow this easy guide to troubleshoot and enhance your connection. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and running smoothly. You can do this by testing your connection speed and checking for any outages in your area. Step 2. Restart your router. Sometimes, simply restarting your router can resolve connectivity issues. Unplug your router, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in to refresh your connection. Step 3. Update game and system. Make sure that both Elden Ring and your gaming system are updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix connection issues, so keeping everything updated is crucial. Step 4. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Check your firewall and antivirus settings to ensure they are not blocking Elden Ring. You may need to add the game to the exceptions list or temporarily disable these protections while playing. Step 5. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection. This can provide a more stable and faster connection, reducing the likelihood of errors while playing online. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your connection and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in Elden Ring. Happy gaming!